Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Taco pizza. So good. Let me show you how we make it. Hi, family and friends. Welcome back. Today we are going to be making taco pizza. Earlier in the week, we made a supreme pizza, and it was so delicious that we had wished we had made a second one. So tonight we did. We're making a supreme, and we're making taco pizza. And I wanted to show you guys this one. So this is just my crust. It was a dough sheet that came in the can, like last time when we did the supreme pizza. I did par bake it at 375 degrees for, I think it was 6 minutes. And that just helps hold the toppings on better. But anyway, this taco pizza is really good if you've ever had it from Casey's. I mean, this isn't like Casey's, but it's really good. So anyway, why don't I, let's get going on that. So on your crust, after it's been par baked, and you still want to keep your oven preheated to 375 degrees, you're going to take some refried beans. Now, it's best if you can heat these up on your stove. I did that with a little bit of, bacon grease and some pepper, and just, let it get really nice and done, and then turn them off and let them cool, because you want it to be cool when you put it on here. Same with, get this done first. Okay, you want it to look like that. I think I made it a lot harder than it needed to be. Anyway, next, you're going to want a pound of taco meat. So I already have like a pound and a half here. I'm not going to be using this all, so whatever I don't use, I'll use during the week. But anyway, that is, whoop, back up. That is why I got my salsa. Okay, so 3/4 of a cup of salsa goes on. Any kind of salsa you want. Seems like a lot. Start with half. That seems better to me. Okay. Just spread that around. Okay, and our next layer will be the ground meat with the taco seasoning on it. Okay, now if you can guess what's coming next, right? Cheese. So we are going to put on. I have some shredded Colby Jack, and we're going to put on about 8 ounces of that and 8 ounces of shredded mozzarella. I don't think it matters what order it goes in, so I'm going to do Colby Jack since I got my hands on it. Okay, so like that, and you do want it to go, pretty close to the edges, because when it comes out, then when we're going to put the rest of our toppings on. But you want to go ahead and put this in at 375 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes. Just keep an eye on it. Okay, so correction, it was to cook like maybe for 7 minutes, just long enough for the cheese to melt. So I'll make sure that's also in the description, but only to melt enough to melt the cheese. So what we're going to put on next is we're going to put on some crushed Doritos. Because you were me is supposed to on your light. Next, you want to put on some shredded lettuce. Just a little bit everywhere. And then finally is tomatoes. Now, not everybody in our house likes tomatoes, so I'm only going to put them on half. I said I was going to put them on half, didn't I? Oh, well. You're going to have to pick them off. Sorry, honey. Anyway, put as little or as many as you'd like on there, or not at all. And since it's a taco pizza, just fix it up however you like. We've got Taco Bell hot sauce and mild sauce. Also, it's good with some sour cream on it. Or also there's salsa too, you know. Cut me up a piece here. Pardon me. Okay, sorry about that. Got the refried beans and the seasoned meat and the chips and everything. Which one would you guys have? Would you have the mild sauce or would you have the hot sauce? Let me know in the comments. You guys like it mild or you like it spicy? I like it spicy. Okay. I have a bite here. But before I do, oh my, everything is today. Oh my. If you guys are enjoying the video, getting a kick out of it, you know, learning anything, please give a like, a subscribe, share with your friends and family. And we will see you guys next time. Thank you.